Okay, so I'm Christine Snyder, and I'm going to be talking about my skincare line, Shade Skin. So, Shade Skin is a 100% vegan and cruelty-free skincare line. We use ingredients that are all derived from the earth, and we named our brand Shade Skin to represent all the different shades and tones of skin. It's designed for all different types of skin, whether you have, oily or dry skin, whatever. We wanted to design a skincare line that had products for everyone. And our motto is live vegan, use vegan. And our brand voice is expressive, honest, and authentic. And we have a minimalist, stylish, and friendly look and feel to our brand. So the big idea is mainly just that skincare shouldn't be exclusive. Everyone should be able to find something that suits them. And we're very proud to be a brand that represents diversity. Skincare and beauty is such a highly saturated market, so it's hard to find something that actually suits your skin. But with us, we can guarantee that anyone can find something that works well with their skin. The target audience is women ages 18 to 50. They have a medium income, and they are tech and social media savvy, and they are interested in skincare and beauty. So our first objective is to increase sales revenue from our website by 25% by the end of 2020, and we're going to do that by tracking the amount of sales over the course of the year. Objective 2 is to create brand awareness by increasing followers by 50,000 on social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube by June 1st, and we'll do this by tracking the engagement on each platform. And our last objective is to improve brand sentiment by 15% by the end of August, and we will do this by using Social Studio to do a sentiment analysis. So for our social media strategy, we're going to use Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, mainly just posting every single day. So for Instagram, posting stories, regular posts showing products, doing IGTV, posting questions and polls to engage the audience. And then Twitter, we'll use it sort of as customer service. So answering questions and complaints, and we'll use the pinned tweets and the retweets tools. YouTube will do vlogs, tutorials, interviews, introducing products, and everything will be linked in the description, so it's easier to shop and get to the website. And then for micro content, we're going to create a full-length documentary and then cut it into clips for IGTV videos, GIFs, and photos for Twitter, and then some of the full clips can go on YouTube. So we're going to use Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Google, and YouTube for our paid ad strategy. Some of the keywords will be like best skincare for dry skin, vegan cruelty-free products, and we're going to target people by age, gender, and interest, as well as targeting people that haven't seen the ad yet and targeting people that search similar things, maybe like best beauty products. For Instagram, we'll do promoted posts, same with Twitter and Pinterest, a promoted tweet or pin. Google will use Google search ads, and YouTube will use bumper and banner ads. So this is an example of a bumper ad on YouTube. This is a Google search ad, and this is a pinned or a promoted tweet on Twitter. So our budget is $350,000. $180,000 of it is for Instagram, $9,450,000 is for Twitter, $67,500 is for Pinterest, $10,000 for YouTube, and $60,000 for Google. So for our inbound strategy, we'll have blog posts. The blog post headlines will say what skincare is best for me, how to use Shade Skin, and consult with professionals. Once readers click on the blog post, they will be offered an infographic that they can download that will show them sort of like products, ingredients, instructions. And then if they download it, we'll get their email, and then we'll be able to follow up and offer them more. So these are examples of emails where they can then download an ebook or a downloadable video. So in conclusion, we believe Shade Skin will be very successful with the strategies we have come up with. We believe we will be able to meet our objectives that we have set by the end of 2020, and we hope you are interested in investing in our brand, and we hope you love our brand as much as we do. Thank you.